Hello viewers, hope you know this familiar cricketer. This is he is Hardik Pandya. I am using Loomis method to draw his portrait. So, in the Loomis method, I think most of you know this. First, we have to create a circle, and after that, we have to form the shape. Okay, so here I completed this drawing, and now I want to color this Hardik Pandya's portrait with I marked the all the features in the portrait. So now I want to create this portrait with coffee, uh, brew instant coffee powder. I am mixing that powder within water. Uh, so in that water, it should not be too much liquid, too much water, and it should not be very thick. So we have to maintain some thickness in the liquid. We have to mix coffee powder and water in a small pot like this. Okay, this is brew instant coffee powder. So once we mix this like this, we can dilute in water wherever it is required. So now we can start this work. Okay, so I am doing quick. I am recording this in speed mode. So first we have to apply the color in very thin color, and wherever dark areas we can put some dark color, not too much dark, just we have to put some little dark, and wherever light areas we can apply that with thin coat. So this can be painted like layer by layer, similar watercolors. So it can be removable wherever. If we want to reduce the darkness, we can remove that color, and wherever we can apply dark, we can apply. So both we can do layer by layer. So it's very simple and very easy to paint. So in first coat I am applying thinner coat, make it uniform. So later layer by layer I will make it dark. Hope you familiar with this technique, coffee paint. It's very similar to watercolor. Actually, I am just trying to do this with coffee, but later I will do some videos with watercolors. So like this, we can apply it layer by layer. Wherever we can, we need darkness, and we can do that, and we can dilute that also. Okay, for hair also it's not a big deal. We can apply light first, and we can later we can add some dark thick liquid, and also we can uh, we can do that like a brush strokes, pencil strokes, brush strokes, like that we can apply the color in hair and other areas. So simple work, it's not a big deal. So we have to be careful on taking water, because if we add more water, it will take time to uh, dry, right? So but we can remove the, if we apply accidentally, if we apply dark more water, then we can remove that with some tissue paper. We can just absorb that water and we can work later. It's not we need not wait too much time. Like this we can do that. And for t-shirt I am doing pencils, watercolor pencils. These are standard pencils. So here I forgot the coloring depth. I forgot on forehead. So now I am applying this. Okay. So now we can complete the t-shirt work. I'm just giving strokes and scribble strokes also. If we have patience, we can do water color also, but currently I am not doing that. I am just using pencil strokes for this. This is the final output. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and share it. Also, please give some comments, feedback in comment section. And also please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.